Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Tinder profile to get the blue checkmark and show other users you're a real person, follow these quick steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Open the Tinder app on your mobile device and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner to access your profile settings. Step 2. Look for a verification option, usually indicated by a shield icon or text that says "Verify your profile" or "Get verified." Tap on this option to start the verification process. Step 3. Tinder will show you instructions for taking verification selfies. You'll need to copy specific poses shown in example photos provided by Tinder. Step 4. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Tinder will ask you to take several selfie photos in different poses to match their reference images. Step 5. Make sure your photos are clear, well-lit, and show your face matching the poses exactly as demonstrated. The verification system uses these photos to confirm you match your profile pictures. Step 6. After submitting your verification photos, wait for Tinder to review them. This process usually takes a few hours, but can take up to 24 hours. Step 7. Check your Tinder app for a notification about your verification status. If approved, a blue checkmark badge will appear on your profile, showing other users that your profile is verified and authentic. This increases trust and can lead to more matches. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.